GS Diving. It is April 26, 2023. We got one of your props is ruined. The port side is all bent up pretty bad and torn. You also have a rope wrapped around one of your props. So I'm going to show you that, just to have it on video, and then I'll get your after video, your entire after video. Let's have a look at it. So as you can see, your port side prop, each blade is all pretty badly bent, and then one of the blades is actually torn and sheared off. So I'm going to get that rope off and then get the after video, and we'll go from there.